camera's getting rained on, and I'm willing to risk it. This noise is coming from the sky. There's nothing in front of us. And it's changing locations. Linda's on the phone with Damon right now. We're going to go investigate.
Coming over, or is he picking you up?
Damon just called because he's hearing this banging noise, and we're going to try to figure out. We're going to try to get to the bottom of this noise.
Okay, I'll let him know. Bye. Okay, he said he's ready to go. He wants to go.
It's by Damien's house. You can still hear it. That's pretty faint over here. Alright, let's go investigate. Alright, we got to an area where we think it's getting closer. Let's see if we can hear it. Oh, a lot louder. Listen.
It's a little closer. That's better.
So now we're taking a trip down here, down this, where the almonds here. So I'm assuming if there is hail cannon, maybe it'll be for the almonds. I don't really see it being for the grapes because all they're doing is raisins out here. Okay, listen. Okay, back on the trail. We're getting closer to solving the mystery. Sounds like it's coming from the sky, though. We're here at this structure, and it's not coming from the structure. Oh, man. It's not coming from that structure. It's coming from the sky. You hear it over the engine and everything.
Crap, that's loud.
It's ridiculously loud. Listen to that. That's coming from the sky, Damien.
From the sky, anyway. Dogs are.
Jet airplane. I'll be quiet for a minute. It sounds like an airplane just hovering over my house up in the sky. Kind of sounds too like wind. It's raining here, but there's no severe thunderstorms or anything. It's just a light rain and this noise.